guys! So today I'm going to do an unboxing from what used to be Chic and Sassy and is now Soapbox Micas, I believe is what it's called. I haven't opened it yet, so give me just a second. I'm trying to remember everything I ordered. She had a big sale last week, I believe. And I hit up a bunch of the micas on it. Alright, so, oh goodness, alright, so it is separated. Ew! I got 2 freebies! Look at the cute little boats! They're so tiny, oh! And then look, it's a little, like, miniature impression map kind of mold. With, like, little flowers, like Hawaii flowers. Oh goodness, I love that. Okay. See what I ordered, because I don't remember. Penguin lip containers, blue green teal glow, which is a glow in the dark. Sky blue glow, demigod mica, oh violet my violet, mustard, and Bahamian silver. Alright, so this has got to be the lip balms. Ugh, I wish I could, like, save the bags, like, reuse the bags. But it's okay. They're really cute, though. I feel like these, yeah, these are the lippies. So I can show you the little lip tubes. So they're little penguin shapes. And then they open on the bottom. And then I'm sorry, hiccup. These are actually pretty deep. And then, of course, they're wrapped in a little bubble wrap baggie. So those are cute. I like those. Now let me see. Oh, goodness. I just got done making 2 5-pound batches of soap, which is technically 2 loaves. Okay, so this is all the micas in here. Alright, so this is what the sky blue looks like, which it's just white, of course. It's gonna have to, I don't know why, I just tried to see if it would glow. It's not been in the sun. Sky blue, blue green. Check my Instagram. I'm gonna post pictures of these on Instagram glowing. This is the silver, the Bahamian silver. Just like nice and shiny and sparkly. I like this. The violet, oh violet my violet. Wow, that is definitely violet. I love that. Let me see, am I missing one? Demigod, mustard. Okay, and then she was out of the smoky rose, so she sent me 3 others to replace that one, because it was a sale, so probably a glitch on the website. This is demigod, and oh my god, it is so gold, and I love this. I am so using this in my next soap. And then mustard, because I didn't have a good yellow. It looks like a flotation device yellow. Alright, and then let me see what I got for free. And that's it for today. Ooh. Searum, I believe. S-E-A-A-U-R-A-M. Searum. I'm not sure. It's like a silver. Hold on, let me compare it to the. Okay, so this one's more like the Bahamian silver is more like a white silver, and this one's more like a gold silver. Yeah, this one's white silver and this one's gold silver. Sour grapes, which is, I mean, yeah, you can see it right there. You can see it's a lot darker than the violet, so that's nice. Those might look really pretty in the same kind of soap. And then Havila, which is another gold, but this gold is more yellow and this one is more gold, which my camera's not picking it up very well. But yeah, this one's more like a yellow gold and this one's more like a bronzy gold. So I love these. I can't wait to try them out. Like I said, check out my Instagram. For these two glow-in-the-dark ones, I'm going to let these sit out in the light, and I will post a picture later tonight with those two colors. Instagram is fantasy_bubbles16. So that's it, you guys. That's all I've got. I'm going to try and get a lipstick review video up later. That's what I got for my order from what used to be Chic and Sassy. I will see you guys later. Bye.